All right, so here is the overall blueprint to make money online with Shopify. My name is Dan Brock, the Deadbeat Super Affiliate. Make sure you subscribe, hit that bell notification button because I release videos on make money online on a daily basis. All right, so I've been learning a lot about making money online with Shopify, and today I'm going to give you the bird's eye view of the best route to go about it. All right, so before we begin, here is the winner of yesterday's $30 comment winner. This is the top comment on yesterday's video. So we're going to do the same thing here today. Just comment something below related to this video, and you have your chance of winning $30 for top commenter here today. All right, so without further ado, let's get to the Shopify money-making good stuff. Here we go. All right, Debbie, so let me know real quick, is Shopify something that you want to learn more about in addition to affiliate marketing? I want to start talking about new topics. I'm thinking either Shopify or Amazon FBA is the way I want to go. Let's start off with Shopify today simply because this is what I've been learning a lot about over the last month or so. So what I want to do is give you the bird's eye blueprint of how it all works. So the thing I like about Shopify and this model is it's a great combination somewhere between affiliate marketing and actually having your own info products. So we get to take some of the benefits from both worlds and combine them together. And the good thing is that you can use the skills that you learn from either business model to apply to Shopify. So you're gonna be much better off knowing this additional stuff if you already know it. All right, so what I have on the screen here is an example Shopify store. This is basically a camping store. And essentially, if you don't know what Shopify is, it's basically the WordPress of e-commerce stores. So you can build an entire e-commerce site. This whole thing was done in Shopify. Everything from the design that you see on here to doing the payment processing, the email management, and all that. So it's all done for you, and it's very like point and click, easy to do. This is like why I'm so drawn to this platform. I'm considering doing more about it. All right, so the way it essentially works is here's your store. You have different products that you're gonna create, and obviously you're gonna want to have a store, just like I teach in my Deadbeat Super Affiliate system and my Tube Tycoon system. The more targeted your store is to a specific topic, the better off it is. All right, so let's just say going with the camping niche. What you do is you go on Facebook, and there are people based off interest, they love camping. So you're gonna target people interested in camping, and you're going to display an ad. Just for an example, let's go with this stove burner. It's $200 here. It comes with this. Let me just get a picture of the stove for you. Here's basically the overview of the stove that you get. So what you would do is you create an ad on Facebook about this grill targeting camping people only. So those people would be sent to this page from Facebook right here. So this is your general targeting to camping subscribers or camping audience. All right, from the Shopify store, if they buy, and by the way, these products you can find on sites like AliExpress. So this is a drop shipping store, shop. In essence, what happens is when they buy, you can fulfill the order through this site called AliExpress from your Shopify store. So there are apps that actually will tie this up, so it makes the actual drop shipping process almost point and click, something you can do literally within just like 5 minutes. If I'm not mistaken, there are some newer apps that do it all 100% automated. All right, so they go to the your Shopify store. So let me just walk you through the process here. Boom, add to cart, buy, checkout, and the payment is processed through Shopify. And then from here, you deliver the product through AliExpress. So the item from here gets shipped to the end user. Now, here's where the magic starts. And a lot of people, if you're familiar with info marketing and selling your own products, the best way to go about this is to build a funnel. So this is one thing I like, one of the benefits of Shopify over affiliate marketing, and not to say that it's better because affiliate marketing is still one of the top ways to make money online. You can create funnels. So with Shopify, for example, let's say they buy that camping stove. What you can then do is upsell, let's just go for an example here, a solar, this is a cool looking stove by the way, I really like that, it looks very nice. Okay, here's the one on Shopify. So it looks like they might have actually customized it a little bit. Let's not worry about that for now. So let's go to solar panel. You could do like a camping solar panel backpack type thing. Like here's a foldable waterproof solar panel, another good camping object here. So you could upsell this solar panel in upsell one here. So you create an OTO one, upselling something related, obviously stove, solar panel, a little bit of a mismatch, but because it's the same type of audience, they're probably gonna want something like that. So you'd have your solar panel and solar, this is the camping stove up here, camping stove, crude. All right, from here, you could do an OTO too if you wanted to, but let's just keep it simple. OTO, just one OTO. And that, of course, is also fulfilled with AliExpress. Now, from here, once the customer buys, you get them onto your email list. So if you do affiliate marketing you're familiar with, or my Tube Tycoon system, they're now on your email list. And from here, after you get an ROI from here, which is basically you take your Facebook ads. So let's say you break even or you make profit. You'll probably make profit off the front here. Then your email list is all buyers, and you can just promote the heck out of anything you want from there. So this could be anything from survival guides, like off of ClickBank, just because they bought physical products here. They're still going to be interested in survival guides, so SU guides. You could sell more camping stuff like sleeping bags, cool stuff like that. And that's the benefit of Shopify, because you can create these funnels and it goes right to your email list. You collect the buyer leads, and also it's actually easier as far as getting approved and not getting banned on Facebook to target these other niche markets that you normally wouldn't be able to target as an affiliate marketer so directly. What I mean by that is that if you were to try to do this as an affiliate, you'd have to send through all these different funnels up front, giving away free value. This way you could just go right to the buyer list, make money. So this week I'm actually going to be launching my first store. Let me know, is this something that you want to know more about? Shopify, I know this is kind of like the one of the hot topics nowadays for good reason. So if you guys want to know more, I will start making content on Shopify. Just let me know. I'm happy to help. All right, in addition to that, guys, if you want to start with affiliate marketing, and guys, by the way, if you have learned affiliate marketing or YouTube, this is going to give you a huge leg up, because all these skills are transferable over to Shopify. It's pretty much the same thing, just different platforms. You get to obviously use Facebook more, which is a huge traffic source. But if this is something that you're interested in, affiliate marketing is a great place to start for the time being. Link below, or just go to deadbeatuniversity.com/guide. All right, so this is going to show you step by step how to create an affiliate marketing business from scratch, selling physical products. So when I release my Shopify training pretty soon on the channel, if that's what you guys want to know more about, you can jump right on in from there. All right, guys, my name's Dan Brock, the Deadbeat Super Affiliate. Let me know if you have any questions for me. And again, let me know, Shopify is something you want me to create videos on in the future. I'm really excited about it. I've been learning a lot about e-com and all that over the last month or so. So let me know. My name's Dan Brock, the Deadbeat Super Affiliate. Subscribe, hit the bell notification button, share this video with your friends, and comment below. I will see you deadbeats later.